Samahan nyo kami ni Ellis today. May kukolektahin kaming rent from our rental property and bibisitahin namin yung Conway.
Let's go! Yeah, you can see.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good.
Not too bad?
What you?
Good, good, good. Could you give it to this guy?
Will you grab it? Grab it.
Thank you. Guys, nandito na kami sa Conway. Gising na yung bossing ko. Let's go na. Tingnan natin inside. Can you, give us a tour? Boss, anong balita, boss? Hey! You wanna go upstairs? Huh? Okay, let's go. This is my boss. Si Kuya Ellis. Ngayon lang niya makikita to. Halfway. Siguro kakastart pala nung project. Nung uli siya nakapunta dito. Patapos na yung project. You like it? Oo, naka-smile si Boss Amo. What about the other room? Yung other room. Kunti na natin kung pasado kay Boss Ellis. You like it? Yeah? What about the bathroom? Tingnan mo yung bathroom. It's not all the way done, but it's close there. Look at this, oh. Good? Thumbs up. Say good to Uncle Mogos. Is it good, Uncle Mogos? Thumbs up. Not bad, right? Oh, see, there's a light there too. Woo, sexy. Huh? It's sexy, eh? What about here? Look. Oh, huh? Look at the light. Let's go down. Oh, did you guys want to see the basement? You guys want to see the basement? They didn't go to the basement yet.
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, let's go. Come to the basement. Ito pala yung kitchen. Hindi pa rin tapos yung kitchen, pero malapit na siya. Tingnan mo. Dito tayo. Ayan, no? Dark yung kitchen, tapos butcher countertop. Ito na yung basement. Naka-carpet na tayo sa basement, guys. Pinarpet na natin yung basement para maganda. Wow! See? You should have seen the Ellis face. You should have seen Ellis face. Oh! Uy! Are you okay? Almost.
The carpet.
Yeah, we covered it. What's that?
Oh, so you covered it.
Yeah.
What was that thing? For the water?
The what?
The thing inside it.
Oh, yeah. The furnace.
Yeah.
We don't have a light
so
here.
nobody can see that yet.
I forgot to bring a light here.
Yo, the
Put a
basement
light.
is cold, man.
Huh?
It's cold here. It's
In
good.
the basement? Because we turned off the furnace already.
No, I know, but it's cold. I'm saying here it's hot.
Yeah.
This is nice here, like nice warm.
What are you gonna say about the house?
I like it.
You like it? Nice. Approve sa standard ni Kuya Ellis? Yeah? Yeah? Maglalagay ulit kami ni Ellis ng flyer. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, in front of the Conway, ganda na siya. So excited to show you guys this house. Guys, one more week and then tapos na tong project na to. Meron lang mga konting touch up and sa exterior patapos na din siya. So yun lang for this video. See you on the next one. Peace.